Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, have been embroiled in a protracted legal dispute for years, and the cryptocurrency community is understandably nervous as the resolution approaches. The outcome of this case has the potential to drastically impact the XRP market. The creators of XRP, Ripple, have been fighting SEC charges that XRP was being sold without first being registered as securities. This conflict has caused tremendous upheaval in the cryptocurrency industry, as Ripple is now confronting serious legal consequences, and the future of XRP is uncertain. In light of the case's conclusion, what does XRP mean? The Secretary's position has the potential to greatly affect how U.S. regulators treat cryptocurrency projects in general. Not only Ripple in particular. Waves prevail and clear the path for XRP growth and adoption, or will the decision impose more challenges on XRP and the cryptocurrency community? As the verdict in the lawsuit draws near, all eyes are on what this ruling could mean for Ripple's future, the value of XRP, and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. The course of crypto regulation may be changed by this decision. This case's scope. Let's swiftly recap what led up to this point so we can understand the situation for years to come. Claiming that Ripple sold XRP as an unregistered security, the SEC filed a complaint against the company in December 2020. According to the SEC, Ripple was involved in illegal security sales since it sold XRP to the general public without registering. A requirement of U.S. legislation regarding financial assets, a digital asset similar to Bitcoin or Ethereum, not a security, is what Ripple argues when it denies this claim. The court struggle began with this disagreement, and the Bitcoin community has been paying close attention to the case ever since. The SEC was unfairly treating XRP differently, according to Ripple's defense, contrasted with other digital assets and the lack of clear regulations surrounding their regulation. Additionally, they've argued that XRPs had been there for a while and that the SEC decision to classify it as a security was hasty and unjustified. Become a registered security holder of XRP prior to its release to the general public. Ripple and other cryptocurrency initiatives have been keenly monitoring this case. The decision may affect the regulation of other blockchain initiatives and digital currencies, especially those that have faced comparable investigations from authorities. For the government's stance on cryptocurrencies to be more defined, or it may propose new rules that might significantly impact the market in general. This battle has been costly, but the stakes are incredibly high because the conclusion will likely determine their future and the future of XRP in the financial field. We are now beginning to wrap up the case. As this case nears its conclusion, the most important question to ask in order to predict Ripple's and XRP future is what this means for the future of XRP. Whether the lawsuit goes to trial or a settlement, the result will be huge. If Ripple wins, it might be a watershed moment for the business and XRP in the cryptocurrency market as a whole. A possible boost in demand for XRP, leading to a possible price increase and more accessibility for investors and users worldwide, could result from its relisting on major exchanges that had previously delisted it due to the ambiguity surrounding the case. Also, Ripple wouldn't be bogged down by pending lawsuits, making it possible for the company to prioritize expansion. Ripple has been working to improve international money transfers by offering cheap, fast, and secure transactions through blockchain technology. If their case is successful in court, they can move forward with these advancements without worrying about regulatory hurdles. Furthermore, XRP might see increased usage in real-world contexts, especially in the financial sector. There may be more transparency in the cryptocurrency market if the verdict is in Ripple's favor. This triumph has the potential to create a new standard for the regulation of digital assets in the future, and to clarify the rules governing cryptocurrencies, which would make it easier for alternatives to grow while avoiding unpredictable government policies. If Ripple is successful, it might pave the way for other cryptocurrencies and inspire trust among developers and investors. However, things might become even more complicated for XRP and lead to more restrictions on how XRP can be used if the CC prevails and Ripple lose traded and utilized, which may cause the token's value to fall and put an end to Ripple's commercial pursuits. The cryptocurrency world is now waiting with bated breath for the final verdict and all the changes it will bring to Ripple, XRP, and the cryptocurrency sector going forward. Beyond Ripple and XRP, this case has far reaching consequences. This legal conflict has the potential to alter the entire cryptocurrency industry. If the SEC rules in favor of Ripple, it might set a precedent for how other cryptocurrency projects are handled and even indicate a sea change in U.S. cryptocurrency law. Regulators in the Bitcoin community have been at odds over the case. A triumph could be seen as a triumph in inventiveness. Utilizing blockchain technology, it would indicate that in the event of a potential Ripple triumph, cryptocurrencies are free to thrive without being limited by inadequate or unclear legislation. A slew of new, more specific regulations outlining the parameters within which cryptocurrency businesses must operate may inspire additional blockchain-based initiatives. Might perhaps persuade more conventional banks to invest in cryptocurrency because of its perceived stability and security. A lot more market volatility might happen if the CC successfully classifies XRP as a security and Ripple loses. More challenging circumstances for the sector overall, since the SEC is looking more closely at other cryptocurrencies. It might lead to more regulatory crackdowns on projects that don't follow the government's view of securities rules. Companies may decide to cut back on innovation as a result of the added strain this would put on other industries. Relito believes the risks of developing blockchain technology under strict regulatory constraints are too large, even though the focus will likely move to putting the legal drama behind it and increasing its influence on the global financial system. After a triumph. As long as Ripple keeps pushing for XRP acceptance, it has the potential to become a future cornerstone. Payments, the company may continue to network with financial institutions, increasing its worldwide footprint and facilitating cross-border transactions with XRP. The following steps are critical to defining XRP's role and future in the growing global financial ecosystem. Regardless of Ripple's success or failure, there can be a lot of fresh possibilities after this lawsuit is resolved. With the matter settled, Ripple would be free to focus on expanding its company and developing the technology behind XRP, continuing its tradition as a leader in improving cross-border payments. Once the legal issues are ironed out, Ripple may move quickly with its goals. Waves would further solidify its ties with global financial institutions, with which it has already formed substantial alliances should it win in court, with the goal of making XRP the go-to cryptocurrency for cheap, fast international money transfers. Ripple may want to expand its collaborations with fintech companies and money transfer businesses. Another thing the use of XRP in everyday transactions should be encouraged by all parties involved, including banks, corporations, and customers. The focus on developing XRP into a functional currency with real-world applications would likely intensify. New opportunities may arise for Ripple if it significantly simplified its blockchain technology, which would boost efficiency and security. When XRP becomes an integral element of the internet economy due to recent innovations, especially in regions where traditional banking is unreliable. New XRP use cases may be investigated by Ripple.